Burlington Alamance Regional Airport, Burlington, North Carolina. Automated weather observation 2140 Zulu. Wind 160 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Burlington clearance Cessna 5004 Yankee. Ready to copy IFR clearance to Danville.
Sky 5004 Yankee Greensboro approach. Clear to Danville Airport as filed. Maintain 5,000. Departure frequency 126.6. Clock 2544. Hold for release.
Cessna 5004 Yankee cleared to the Danville Airport as filed. Climb maintain 5,000. Departure 126.6. Clock 2544. Hold for release.
November 04 Yankee readback is correct. Just give me a call back with your number 1 and which runway you'll be departing.
We'll let you know, 04 Yankee.
That's number 1.
When we're like first in line to take off.
Why are we not?
If there was somebody in front of us when we got there. And then,
so, ComNav GPS is set.
Yep, we got
and
that.
And then weather we checked.
Yes.
Altimeter.
Alright, that was 3010. So, we're good?
Just kidding.
Heading / compass.
Alright, that's about 24. Right about there. Check. Yep.
Okay, so then taxi.
Alright.
Brakes.
Alright.
We test them, but yeah.
Taxi already looks clear. Brakes work.
Cool. Flight controls. Correct for wind. Flight controls correct for wind.
Oh, yeah. We don't have that right now, so we're good.
And then flight instruments.
Everything looks okay as of now.
Will be.
So if it's 160, then we'll be using runway 24. Yep.
How do you know that?
So you want to take off into the wind.
Huh.
And so, because that gives you the most air going over the wings. And so the wind on the weather frequency, it said it was coming from 160 degrees. And the runways here are runway 6 and runway 24, meaning they're facing 60 degrees or 240 degrees. And 160 is closer to 240 than 60.
Right.
So you want to use runway 24. And you can see the windsock over there, that orange thing?
Yep.
It shows you where the wind's coming from. So the wind's sort of blowing this way.
Right.
Burlington
Before takeoff run up.
Says 822, clear
brakes.
runway 24.
Okay, set.
Seats, seatbelts.
I'm good, you good?
Yep. Cabin door, window.
We can leave the window open for now, but the cabin doors are locked? Yep.
Flight controls.
Flight controls. That one goes up, that one goes down. Oh my goodness. That's a PC-12, Pilatus PC-12.
Whoa. That looks nice. Like old, but nice.
Several $1 million plane. That one goes up, that one goes down. I feel like we got kind of close to him. No, that goes up, down, left, right. Alright.
So that's flight controls, flight instruments.
Great, that's at 0, that's on the horizon. And that's elevation 616, alright, that's within 75 feet. That's at 0, we'll be a little bit shy of 120. That's level.
Fuel quantity.
Fuel quantity is good, we checked both wings.
Fuel selector.
Fuel selectors on both.
Mixture.
Rich.
Throttle.
1800 RPM. Alright.
Skyhawk 78 level Golf departure.
Oh, baby!
Engine, we'll check. Left magneto, less about 100 drop. I'll do this part.
And then throttle friction lock.
That is set.
Mixture.
Mixture, back for taxi.
Back, yep. Trim.
Trim set for takeoff. So, I'll have you work the GPS.
Wow.
We're basically going straight to Danville, no stops. So, press the button on the side here. Then press select waypoint.
Waypoint?
Where's this select waypoint? Then press K. And then on the bottom where you have that scale, press D. Then press D. And then you see where it says Danville Regional, just press that. and press activate in the lower right corner. And there you go.
Ooh, fancy.
And there's Jacob.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 822, departing runway 24, staying in the pattern, Burlington.
Would you look at that?
Burlington traffic, Skyhawk 8 Bravo Golf, departing the pattern to the southwest, Burlington.
That was Jacob on the radio.
What? Wait, he can't hear us right now, right?
No, as long as I don't press this button, he can't hear anything we're saying.
Ha.
The way to tell if you're transmitting is look in the upper right. So this frequency that has the green says KBUY Unicom, so that tells us what frequency we're on right now. And if I press the button, you'll see a TX. See where it says next to COM? So that's how you know that you're transmitting. So sometimes if you have a stuck mic, you're not pressing the button, but it says TX. There's some sort of short circuiting, something going on.
Ooh.
So every single thing you say is being recorded.
Yikes.
As if it isn't anyway. But anyway.
True. Like NSA?
Yep.
Skyhawk 6-1, Pilatus, line up and wait, runway 24.
Those things are really fancy. They have landing lights all along the edge of the wing.
Yeah, that plane looks so nice. Like it has like room for like lots of people.
Traffic, Skyhawk 6-1 and Pilatus, departing runway
I wonder
24.
what the inside looks like.
Probably a lot of leather seats and wood and stuff and really fancy bougie billionaire stuff. It's like a business jet on the inside probably.
That's the goal.
If you get a job as some sort of neuroscientist, chemist, something that involves traveling a lot,
Yeah,
and I'm able to fly you places, I would totally do that.
In my private jet.
Yeah. Alright, so now we'll go back to the clearance.
Yes. Flaps.
Well, one second. We need to get their clearance from the people. Greensboro approach, Cessna 04 Yankee is number 1 at Burlington.
Skyhawk 5004 Yankee, Greensboro approach. Which runway will you be departing?
We'll be departing runway 24, Cessna 04 Yankee.
November 5004 Yankee, release for departure, clearance board if not off by 2200, if not off by 2200, advise Greensboro approach of intentions not later than 2205, time now 2151 and 1/2.
Clearance void at 2200. We'll let you know if our intentions at 2205, 5004 Yankee. Burlington traffic, Cessna 5004 Yankee, taking off runway 24, departure to the north. We'll be departing to the off of right crosswind, Burlington. I don't see anybody, so now we can close the windows. Alright, you good? Alright, make sure full rich. Lights on. That's on altitude.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 822, turning base, runway 24, Burlington.
We'll have to make this quick. We'll start the timer.
Burlington traffic, Warrior 4349er X-ray, entering downwind for 24, Burlington.
Are you ready? Alright, so everything's good. Take off. Full power.
Burlington traffic, Cessna 822, turning final, runway 24, Burlington.
Rotate. Burlington traffic, Cessna 04 Yankee on the upwind, runway 24, Burlington, departure off of right crosswind, departure to the north, Burlington.
Have a good flight, Daniel.
Thanks, Jacob. Greensboro approach, Cessna 04 Yankee is off at Burlington. We'll switch over to 126.6.
Number 04 Yankee, roger, Diane. Contact me at 266.
Approach 5004 Yankee off of Burlington with you, 1,600.
04 Yankee, ready to contact 2 miles west, Burlington Airport, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000. 5004 Yankee.
November 04 Yankee, contact Washington Center 124.05.
1240504 Yankee, good evening. 2405, enter.
4874. Thanks, see you.
Approach Cessna 5004 Yankee with you 4000, climbing 5000.
November 5004 Yankee, Washington Center, good afternoon. Do you have the current weather knowns for Danville Airport?
We will let you know when we have those, 04 Yankee.
Roger, just advising you're back on frequency, thank you.
We're checking the weather at Danville, so we're going to turn the volume down on this.
Weather observation 2158 Zulu. Wind 160 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 28 Celsius. 2.22 Celsius. Altimeter 3009er. Remarks. Density altitude 2000.
So there's 5000, we're going to wait for the speed to come up a little bit. There's that, so we'll pull the power back between 24 and 2500 RPM. Lean. And 5004 Yankee has the weather and known as Danville.
November 5004 Yankee, Roger, expect the visual approach to Danville Airport.
Expect the visual into Danville, 5004 Yankee.
November 5004 Yankee, you are, be something accurate here, you are 20 miles south of the field, advise the center field in sight.
Let you know when we have the field in sight, 5004 Yankee. So you want to feel the effect of this thing? So it says nose up. So if I move it towards nose up, I'm not doing anything. If I move it towards nose down, so it just changes the default.
5004 Yankee, descent possible to maintain 3000.
Down to 3000, 5004 Yankee.
November 5004 Yankee, I do have traffic 12 o'clock, 15 miles, just between your 12 and 1 o'clock, altitude indicates 2,400, unverified type unknown.
We'll look for the traffic, 04 Yankee, thanks.
November 3546 uniform, are you a VFR looking for flight following?
Yes, sir. That is November 5346 uniform. We are looking for VFR flight following to Foxtrot Alpha Yankee. We are going.
Listening to people on the radio is so entertaining.
We are Papa Alpha 28 Alpha. 28 Alpha.
Yeah, we're looking for VFR flight following to
3607.
traffic in sight on our GPS. We're looking for him, and we have Danville in sight. Well, 5004 Yankee.
November 5004 Yankee, I see you're turning to the right towards that traffic, and actually now the VFR traffic is leaving 3000. Is altitude indicates 3,200 verified.
Traffic in sight, Cessna 04 Yankee.
Alright, November 5004 Yankee, traffic no longer a factor. Your clear visual approach to Danville Airport. For your cancellation downtime on this frequency, if unable, contact flight service. May supervisor frequency is approved. I don't show any other traffic continue in the field.
We'd like to cancel IFR now. Frequency change approved. 04 Yankee.
Verify 04 Yankee, IFR cancellation received. Block VFR, change advisor is approved. Have a good day.
Good day. Danville traffic. Skyhawk 5004 Yankee, 7 miles south of the field, 3000 descending inbound left downwind runway 20 Danville.
Roger. No reported traffic in Danville this time.
No reported traffic at Danville at this time. Having a good time over there?
Oh yeah!
What are your thoughts on the camera?
It needs more contrast. I will have to edit it.
I really appreciate you taking pictures for me. We definitely need to get a selfie in front of the airplane.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Danville traffic. Skyhawk 04 Yankee, 4 miles south of the field, 2,200 descending inbound left downwind, runway 20 Danville. Never mind. Alright, power to 1500. Alright, we are in the white arc, so we'll go power to... Alright, so then we'll start descending. Danville traffic, Cessna 04 Yankee, turning final, runway 20, full stop Danville. Alright, flaps to full. Sorry, yeah. Turbulence is all my fault. Alright, 2 right, 2 white, 2 red, we're good. Alright.
Barely even felt it.
Those are always the kind of landings I want to have with you around.
For sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Danville Regional Airport. Local time is 6:15. Please remain in your seats with the seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. When opening the overhead compartments, please use caution as items may have shifted during flight. If you've got any connections, departure information will be found on the screens in the terminal. If you're connecting, we hope you have a good rest of your journey. If Danville is your final destination, we hope you have a good time in Danville.
Heck no.
On behalf of
Diane,
me, on behalf of me, Captain Schwartz, and my beautiful co-pilot, Youngstrom, we realize you have several choices of flying today, not really, but we appreciate you for choosing Dianiel Airlines.
You really have that down. Commercial pilot, here you come.
Yeah.
Whoa. That looks like an expensive one.
Yep.
What kind of plane is
It's
it?
a Cessna Citation.
A Cessna?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I mean, they don't just make propeller planes. So I believe...
What's the one over there?
That is a TBM, I believe. It stands for a bunch of different companies and stuff.
That Cessna looks nice.
Alright, so then...
Oh wait, do I have to do this?
The shutdown...
Well, landing, after landing flaps.
We did that, so then shutdown.
Ah, damn. Okay, electrical equipment.
Okay?
Off.
Yes.
Avionics.
That's what the avionics do, is they cut you off.